We are arriving to Indonesia!
Just arrived in this beautiful island.
After a few days of sailing, we arrive in the city of Sabang in the island of Hue. Hello, this is Carlos and I am Linda. We are living in our floating house Mirni Oken. Welcome in our YouTube channel 22 South, where we invite you in our dream for a cycle navigation. So we just arrived in Sabang and they have a very strange mooring here. They want to promote the island and they want more boats coming here, but it's impossible to take the mooring. Just impossible. I try to move the hook on the top, but it's really heavy. I cannot move it. One boat tell us that the woman went in the dinghy and was bouncing around that, and they fought at the final, the fight because of that. Just need to put a line around. It's not really complicated, but they want more boats coming here. They have just these little jobs, I think, to do, because it's pretty deep. It's 30 meters, sometimes 50 around here. So let's try to do something. As soon as we arrive, we do the paperwork to clearing in the country, and we discover a young generation in the administration, very welcoming and helpful.
Party in the office.
We make a little bit of space in the boat for the arrival of Carlos' friend. Then we go for one more hour of sailing in Ibo, where we find a beautiful anchorage. Hue is known for his beautiful beaches and popular spot for scuba diving. A ferry connects the island twice a day to the main island of Sumatra.
We are in Pulau Hue, but in Ibo.
Yeah, we are in Ibo, waiting for a friend of Carlos.
Yes, our new patron is arriving.
His name is Giulio.
Giulio,
It's an Italian guy.
Italian guy that we met actually on our first course of sailing together. We met there.
Ah, yeah?
There it is!
Ah,
There it is!
we are talking about him. He continues.
That's our friend. That's our friend there.
Oh, the taxi. Changed his life, huh? Yes, he's there. The chuk-chuk. You're excited, darling?
Yeah.
See your friend?
Yeah. You'll make pizzas on board.
Yeah. I have a Spanish and an Italian.
Madonna, Giulio.
Very good. Hello.
How are you?
Good, and you?
¿Cómo estás? Finally. What have you done to arrive here?
So one car, one bus, one flight, another flight, a taxi, a ferry, a tuk-tuk, and then a dinghy.
Yeah, the last one, the dinghy and the boat.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Wow, yeah, it's
So
hard
well.
to arrive in a remote place.
Coffee. 1 kilo lavazza coffee. Bravo, maestro.
You have enough to go around the world.
Hello guys, today Carlos is with his friend Giulio outside renting motorbike, and I don't know what they are doing, but having fun. And have the boat. We have the boat only for us. The fun for me is to work. Today I'm going to explain you how to use a green screen in iMovie. So this is the green screen I have. It's originally a Pareo, but it's a bit short, so I found this towel, blue. You can use a blue or green screen. You have to tight carefully the screen and add a light on the side to avoid the shade. Is it better? Ah, yes. Microphone is on. The second step is to film yourself. So you can see here the kingdom of the Romans before the Punic War. You can feel a bit ridiculous to talk to a blue towel like this, but keep going, we are in the good way. To edit, you need to put first the image you want in the back, then the footage of yourself with a screen. Then you take the image with a blue screen and put on top of the other image. It's very important that the footage with the blue screen is selected. And finally, in the top part, you press this button and green, blue screen. So you can see here the kingdom of the Romans before the Punic War, and that is after. I'm very excited by this video. All video, actually.
Stamattina mi sono alzato, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Stamattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato l'invaso, oh partigiano.
So we arrived in this place called Kilometer Zero. We came by motorbike, it was a beautiful ride. And we found this strange building, we don't know what it is exactly. That's called Kilometer Zero. This is Giulio Galliero coming from Melbourne.
Se io muoio da partigiano, oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. E se muoio da partigiano.
I am a lucky woman tonight. I have 2 men in the kitchen. I ordered gin tonic and a chocolate cake.
Oh bella ciao, bella ciao, bella ciao, ciao, ciao. Seppellire.
Today is Giulio's birthday. What better than a die for this special moment? Already the Romans of Italy live with Giulio and we go back to our duty. Yeah, it's not the best job to do, but it's a job. You don't want to put laps? There's still a lot of work in here. Carlos is making some Sikaflex outside, and you are going to stay with me for sewing. I make an extension for the cover because of the new mainsail. Now the cover is too small and it's too much pressure and it broke slowly. I just sew the zip, and now I'm going to put this on the original cover. The machine is not working and it took me an hour to understand that it was this piece who is damaged. I will have to finish by hand with a sailing sewing stuff. Wow, you are moving a lot. Please encourage.
Epoxy time for me, again. I've been cooking for the last 2 hours.
Ew, darling.
And look what I have done. It's a beautiful recipe from Spain.
No, it's not true. I did it in 20 minutes with what we have, not much. 1 egg, few cans, 2 tomatoes, and the magic.
Make it and then we're like, oh wow, in Australia it's like now 10 p.m, you know, like yesterday, and then we cannot call, but today we made it, so it's great. We end up speaking with you. Videos is part of our life, our daily basis. So, yeah, like if you have any suggestions, if you know you like things, you don't like things, you would like to see more things about this or about that, just always feel free to send us a message and suggest things and advice.
Okay, thank you very much for your time for this call. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we hope to see you next week.
Ready to go, and we have a helper to put the dinghy back in the water. You ready? You ready?
1, 2, 3.
Go! Very good. Bye bye.